What's up, folks? So today I will be alright, so today we are going to talk about a couple of things you should not be doing while you're riding a bike. You see me? As the title of the video says, things never to do while riding a bike. And this will be in no particular order. So let's kick start this video. Number one, whenever you're turning, like you're going around a turn like this, never you hold your brake while you're turning, that is. If you're approaching a turn, the best thing to do is to slow down before you reach the turn. That way you cut your speed and you can negotiate the corner properly. Oh, go on there, sir. Whenever you are going around a corner, whenever you're going around a corner and you go brake, it throws off everything. You see me? Because how two-wheel vehicles are constructed, for people who do physics and maths, them know. I don't have to explain all of that. But two-wheel automatically balance itself, basically. You see me? So when the two-wheel might try balance himself to stay upright, whenever you're braking, you basically go against the force there. You see me? So, an example, when you brake, say you're going to come like this and you brake, two things can happen. The bike either will stand itself back upright, or if the wheel doesn't have any traction, it will lose traction and basically drop you. Number one thing to not do, well, not really number one, but number one on my list today, basically, do not brake while you're turning. Slow down before you start negotiate the corner. You see me? Using back brake as well while going around a corner is not tolerated, because the back end can slip out, causing you to basically low side. You see me? So we have that part that pretty much explained, right? Do not use any brake when going around a corner. You see me? Front brake is more effective than the back brake. So try your best not to use any braking when going around a corner. Number two, never ride on bad tires. Question: do you guys know how much bad tires affect you riding on the road? I bet enough of you know. I bet a lot of y'all. Oh, what am I trying to find, man? What is going on here, nigga? I bet a lot of persons don't understand how much bad tires affect them on the road. Especially, let's say your tire is bald. Let's say you have a bald tire. Anytime you go to brake, you're going to realize that your braking is drastically impacted, because the tire is bald. So it basically don't have no traction on the road unless a slick tire run. So bald tires don't have any traction on the road. So when you go for brake, even for normal road surface, for dry road surface, when you go to brake, you're going to realize your braking is not as good as maybe what it used to be. And that's because the tire don't have any proper traction on the road, basically. Another thing is stability. Having a bad tire or a bald tire, whatever, affects your stability on the road. So a lot of times you might be riding on the road and you say, oh, the bike feel rough, and you feel the bump, and the shocks is good and everything in terms of suspension is okay, but for some reason you're just having a bad ride on the road. basically what's causing that, basically what could be causing that is a tire. You know, a lot of times when I put on a brand new tire, it's like the bike feels higher. You see me? And it's like the bike soak up the bump even better. But that's basically in terms of stability, that's what the tire does. You see me? Grants a better stability on the road, it plants you up on the road. Also, in regards to the tires, you face a higher chance of a tire blowing out whenever you're riding on a bad tire. Apparently the tire bursted.
Back wheel puncher, what you mean?
When you say back wheel puncher, what you mean?
What you mean?
That
I
is it.
feel.
Yeah, man. I know, what them say, a flat wheel.
Flat wheel. That's a Zamco puncher, what you mean?
And it has happened to me before. Basically when the tire is bald to the point where it's showing the thread, you face a higher chance of that tire actually blowing out. And what if you go up on a good speed, right? It's gonna be hard to regain control of your bike if your tire blow out. So as soon as you see that your tire is showing a certain amount of wear, it's basically it's good to change it. As soon as you see it show a certain amount of wear, just start gather some money and try change it as soon as possible. You dig me? Next thing, never or do not ride like this. You see me? And in traffic basically as if you're a car. For bikers, for Jamaican bikers, it's not illegal. It's not even written in books for us to be lane splitting. You see me? So we have to use a little discretion. You see me? Police have now pressure we if we do it, but we need to make sure so we do it the right way. You see me? So let's say you're in traffic and you're there right behind the vehicle and vehicle are behind you and all of them things there. I would definitely tell you not to do that. Right? You might put yourself at risk to be rear-ended, and you see me? I basically don't recommend you riding in line. You see me? You chop it out there like a taxi man. Yeah? Riding in line, don't do it. Try to stay out. Try to stay basically filter as best as you can. You see me? Filter as best as you can. I recommend that. So like this now, filter, and you filter at a good speed and safely, brother. Because a lot of us, we are filter and we are go through like that we on the road. Don't do that. That will put you in danger, man. Another thing not to do while riding a bike is basically riding dead center behind vehicles. Whenever you ride dead center behind a vehicle, it puts you at risk, because this is Jamaica. We have a lot of patrol here, and vehicles, to avoid patrols, they drive over them. So you being dead center riding behind a vehicle, if that vehicle avoids a patrol, the patrol will come right for you. So I'm gonna try to catch up a vehicle here and show you guys. is the recommended lane position. So try to stay either left of the vehicle or right of the vehicle. Don't be dead center. You see me? So either you are left of the vehicle or right of the vehicle, and this also helps you to be seen better because you're directly in the line of their rearview mirror. So my final thing is basically not to come out of your comfort zone. So this may be for new riders and it can be for experienced riders as well. There's a thing in the American riders book per se that says ride your own ride. Basically that means is to stick to your own pace, never let anybody push you past what you can actually do. In time you will catch on. Everything comes with experience, guys. Everything comes with experience. Stick to your own pace, never let anybody push you past what you can do, and that way you will survive the streets. You see me? But anyways guys, I'm wrapping up this video for today. Hope that you guys enjoyed this little topic, and yeah, thank you guys for your support. You see me? Thank you for your support and respects and everything. Bike dirty right now, I didn't even want to see it. But yeah guys, bless up, love and respect, and yeah, I'm out. Comment down below, you know, and everything.